My name is Liz Beechler and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, and today I'm going to show you how to make gumbo in a slow cooker. Now this is a really fun thing for me to make since I'm from New Orleans. People ask me all the time how to make gumbo, and this is a great easy recipe. Gumbo actually means okra in African, so gumbo is not gumbo without okra. It's also not gumbo without roux. And so today I'm going to talk about how to make a roux, but I'm not going to show it because it takes a lot of time. But to make a roux, you need about 1/3 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of butter or oil, and you put it in a heavy saucepan on high heat for about 5 minutes. You make sure it's mixed really well, and then you lower it for another 15 until it gets to a really nice red-brown color. You know when your roux is done because it starts to smell like hazelnuts or kind of like a burnt nut. So here's a good example of the roux I pre-made. So you're going to want to put that into your slow cooker. And then you're going to put about 3 cups of chicken stock or vegetable stock. Now this gumbo I'm making is a chicken and sausage gumbo. You can make it with all seafood if you want, or you can use crab and shrimp. Then I'm going to put 1 pound of chicken breast because it has less fat. I put 2 pounds of smoked turkey sausage. You can use chicken andouille sausage, whatever you can find. And the next thing I'm going to put in is equal parts of certain vegetables. If it's a gumbo, it always will have celery, onions, and bell peppers. So I'm going to put 1 cup of bell peppers, 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of onions, and last but not least, the gumbo, the okra. Now if you'd like to put more vegetables in here, go ahead, they're good for you. It doesn't change the flavor, it just makes it a little stockier for you. Next I'm going to season it. I'm going to put a couple of cloves of garlic. I like to put my Cajun seasoning in there, and it's just about 1 teaspoon. You can make it at home with onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne. And bay leaf. Just mix it all together. With all those fresh vegetables, it's going to cook down quite a bit. And you leave it on your cooker. You can do it overnight or while you're at work for 8 hours on low heat, or if you want to do it faster, you do it for about 5 hours on high heat. So after it's all mixed up, you just let it sit for 8 hours on low heat overnight or while you're at work. And if you want to do it quicker, just do it 5 hours on high heat. And when you dish it up, you want to make sure that you have it over a bed of nice white rice. So I have some ready for you. Here we go. Chicken and sausage gumbo from a slow cooker. Enjoy.